Hello friends. Today I want to tell about the topic effective size and informative coefficient and their significance. First we see what is effective size and informative coefficient and definition of that, and then we will see the significance of effective size and informative coefficient. First we will see the effective size. Definition of effective size. Effective the size of filter media is specified by the term effective size D10. It is specified by D10 and it is defined as the size of the sieve in through which 10% of the sample of sand by weight will pass. Means only 10% of its total weight is passed, then it is known as the effective size of the sand. Now we will see the same as effective size, uniformity coefficient, and D10, D30 and D60 values. First we'll before seeing the uniformity coefficient, first we will see the D30 values and D60 values. What is meant by D60 and D30 values? It is same as the D10 values. D60 means the size of the sieve in through which 60% of the sample of sand by weight will pass, and D30 is same as this, and the size of the sieve in which through which 30% of the sample of sand by weight in through which will pass. Then we'll see the what is important of effective size in filter design. The selection of the correct effective size is very important because too smaller size is very important because too smaller size will lead to very frequent clogging of filters and will give very low filtration rates. Similarly, too large size will permit suspended particles and bacteria to pass through it without being removed. Now we'll see the informative coefficient and its definition. What is informative coefficient? Uniformity in size or degree of variations in size of particles is measured, and it is expressed as the term uniformity coefficient, and it is expressed as the term Cu. What is the formula for the Cu? D60 divided by D10. We already know what is mean by D60 and D10 values. The purely gravel must be greater than 4 for uniformity coefficient value, and for purely sand must be greater than 6. Now we'll see why it is. What is the definition of uniformity coefficient? It is the ratio of D60 by D10 may be defined as the ratio of sieve size in through which 60% of the sample of sand will pass to the effective size of sand. Means it is the ratio of, means it is D60 divided by D10 gives the value of uniformity coefficient, and we'll see the significant, and we'll see the uniformity what is the important of effective size and uniformity coefficient in rapid sand filters and the slow sand filters. In rapid sand filters, what are the values? In rapid sand filters, its value lies in the range of 0.35 to 0.6 and its common value is 0.45. It should lies between 0.35 and 0.6 and its informative coefficient is 1.6 is used. I am talking about rapid sand filters because it is, and I will tell now significance of the in rapid sand filters. Sand bed is very essential because uh, sand grain it decreases the white spaces and makes bottom and top filters bed equally effective and increases the rate of filtration. In I will say, now we will see the what is the importance in the slow sand filters in and what are the values that should lie between. The sand used in the slow sand filter should have an effective size of 0.15 to 0.35 and informative coefficient of 1.5 to 1.3. However, less than 2 is desirable. Preferably of sand should have rounded rather than the jagged grains and free from clay. Uh, this was the significance of slow sand filters and rapid sand filters according to effective size and the informative coefficient. Thank you.